knee replacement, what we also want to make sure is that we are stronger around the hips and the pelvis. So we know the stronger we are around this area, the more that I unload my knee. And you'll see that even in some of the lying exercises we do a lot focusing around the hips and the pelvis, e.g. bridging. So in standing, that's what the next focus is. All right, so there are a couple of standing exercises that are great for that. And this set of exercises will take you through the next 2 to 4 weeks. All right, so I'm going to take my band, I'm going to pop it around my knees, and in this example, I'm assuming that my right leg is my operated leg. So you might not have put the band on quite as easy as that. So firstly, what you can do is, I'm going to face here, and I often just like to start with some heel raises. I shift my weight from side to side, okay, and then I just hold the back of a chair, table, desk, countertop, and I just lift up onto my toes. As I come up, I am just really also engaging through my thighs, and I'm squeezing my buttocks. So like it's really a whole lower limb exercise, okay, so that's 4. Head, and that you don't get like all hunched down. All right, so all right, perfect. So then what we're going to do is we're going to again pull the right leg to the side. So when I do this, I want to just take my leg slightly off center, my right leg slightly back, and then I'm holding onto here and I'm pulling out to the side. In there, I'm just going to turn and face you so you can see from the side what it looks like. Cool. Then the next one that we're going to do, you're going to bend the knee. All right. So I'm just going to do that. Now, often what I find is that it kind of tends to slide up a little bit. So if I just hook it underneath my foot, even on both sides, I can then, okay, so if I hook it around and I just do that, I'm going to really work into my to my hamstring. So what I want to do with this is I want to bend and then push. Ooh, okay, that was a hamstring pull. Okay, so bend and push. Yeah, a bit more hamstring. That, but slightly different. I'm going to take my leg straight back. So now I have the band around my ankles, and I'm going to just lift it straight back. My knee in this one is totally straight, so I'm not bending it at all, and I'm just lifting it, putting it straight back like that. And there I should feel it working my buttocks. And then what we can also do is we can pull it forward. So from here, I'm just going to just do that. Alright, now with this exercise, I just want to grab a crutch. I sometimes feel that people need a support on both sides. So they literally, if you have your crutch easy by, that one you can do that. And that one often you've got a tabletop or a counter here, so you do need to turn around. It's not like the others where you're holding the back. For this one, I also want to make sure that I really keep my knees straight, and then I pull forward with the straight leg, not allowing it to bend. Okay, so just doing that. Perfect. What I often notice, and you might have noticed, is that your left leg works really hard, okay? So it's counteracting the force. So for a knee, I can start to put it, if I'm feeling confident, probably more around the 3-week mark, I can repeat those same exercises on both legs. Alright, anyway, have fun with it, see how you go. Take it easy. If this is the first time you're doing the exercises, if you have a slight increase in pain, then just back off a little bit. I want you to try do them initially, you can try do them twice a day. Alright, but listen to your bodies, see how you're feeling. Enjoy.